diagnosis na the motor. If again, the power train control module. Reports of Johnson other boot instrument cluster fault and light level transfer keys. Now this thing with your fault. Okay, so what is this thing? I don't know the upper. See the second light is blinking. Cap the suspension. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Link at them. So 13 system. First katana without carrying the engine and stuff. So even me, yeah, we have me in there. Let me get something. Yeah, I don't know. If you know about now, so see me mix million and one. That is what is forming this milk. If you do like that, you can milk. Yeah, you can see me now. So, one on the water system motor complete. And the motor is not a steaming fan at all. So I can work on the engine performance, both servicing, both engine and gearbox. Then work on this oil. This thing out this thing can cause overheat and damage the engine completely. So from the fault analysis, the report, we're gonna try this way some for the thing. How much is the opportunity to create my upgrade? All these things, remove change your mark, change your bumper. I'm going to get me upgrade, change fear and if on the oil, which is not supposed to be so. Hold on, let's see the diagnosis.